All right, good morning, guys. Can everyone hear me all right?
Yes.
Great. So it's my pleasure to be here today. In fact, it's my first time in Dubai, so I'm slightly excited and had a little bit too much coffee in the morning. My name is Annabelle Huang. I'm a partner at Ember Group. We are a leading global crypto finance service provider, helping institutional and individual clients access, manage, and trade crypto. It is my pleasure to be here today at the World Blockchain Summit. So thank you, everyone, for being here, and thanks for having me. I'm very excited. I hope this session will give you a little insight of what we're doing here at Ember Group, and hopefully we can all capture the long-term value in crypto finance altogether. So actually, I'll just give you all a little background of myself. So I was born and raised in China, went to the United States for school, started my career in New York on Wall Street in traditional finance. I believe, like many of you guys here, haven't worn a suit in actually a few years from back in the days. I used to do FX and rate structuring at Deutsche Bank and then at Nomura before in 2018, I formally decided to quit Wall Street and jump into the world of crypto. Initially, I was building one of the first generation decentralized exchanges on Ethereum. That was back in 2018, so DeFi was very different from what it is today. But that experience has been tremendous in helping me understand the underlying blockchain technology, being able to meet with so many developers within Ethereum and just globally within the space. And later on, decided to join Ember Group and move back to Asia, just seeing the burgeoning crypto scene here and really hoping to go beyond. And Ember Group is at the intersection of both CeFi and DeFi and a very global platform, and I'm very lucky to be here. And now I'm the head of Global X, looking after our global growth. And which is why I'm here in Dubai today, hoping to meet all of the local players to be able to expand our presence outside of Asia, including Europe, the Americas, of course the Middle East, potentially even Turkey, Russia, and all the crypto active regions and beyond. And then a little bit more about Ember Group. So we started off in 2017 just as a six-man prop shop, trading market-neutral crypto strategies in the market, just given there was so much alpha in the space back then. And it eventually organically grew into offering a lot of the institutional-facing services to our clients, including liquidity provisioning. So we market make for a lot of the top token project issuers. We can offer OTC trading, execution services, and on the asset management side, clients can park your crypto assets with us and earn a yield. We also facilitate borrow lending, anything within the secondary market, really. And recently, we even branched into offering mining-related services in the US. So that's something exciting coming up as well. We are a team of more than 500 people now, I believe, globally, starting in Asia, but now with offices in the Americas, in Europe more recently, and maybe in the Middle East as well. We recently closed our Series B funding round, raising $100 million at $1 billion valuation. So very grateful for the fintech unicorn status and for our backers, including Tiger Global, Sequoia, and a lot of the crypto VCs, including Pantera, Paradigm, and the likes. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. And with that support, that really added to our confidence and determination to continue to deliver the best-in-class services that we have. So now, let's get to the main topic today, about how to capture the long-term investment value in crypto. Just taking a step back, over the last 2 years almost, this incredible bull run, I've actually gotten a lot of inquiries from my friends with different backgrounds. The first type is my sorority sisters from college, and they're very new to crypto. They're not from the financial sector, so they don't understand really what Bitcoin or any of these financial crypto finance is about. But they're curious, and they want to invest. And what they need is really a very easy-to-use platform for them to even buy their first Bitcoin, for example. And what they need really is just a gateway into crypto finance. And there's a second type. Actually, a lot of the clients that I cover, and potentially a lot of people here in the stage, are the high net worth individuals who are very curious about crypto, perhaps familiar with it from more of an alternative investment point of view, where it does offer a very attractive risk return as a macro hedge. The inflation trade recently from the US has, again, validated the need to having asset classes like Bitcoin, for example. And what they need, though, is somewhere safe and trustworthy and compliant so that they're comfortable leaving their portfolio within the alternative asset space. I think my mic is dropping. The third type is, I call it maybe the more professional traders. These are my ex-colleagues on Wall Street. They probably traded FX, rates, other fixed income products, but are new to crypto. And for them, they're, of course, very price savvy. They like to shop different venues to find the most competitive pricing. They also care about their portfolio yield. So they will also want to earn passive yield on their idle assets while having that flexibility to trade when they want to. So what they need is more of an all-in-one crypto finance platform where they can trade, earn, do everything in one place. And the last type, I call them the prosumers, or the crypto OGs. They're the ones who've been in the space for longer than I have, probably since the beginning of Bitcoin. And they're really quick to adapt to the hottest trends in the market, be it DeFi, yield farming last summer, or aping into all the NFT profile pictures this year. So what they need is a crypto-native platform that can quickly adapt and offer them all the flexibility and everything they need. So from these four very different types of the users, we can see that it's really difficult to have one platform, a single platform, that cater to all of these different needs at once. And that's exactly why here at Ember Group, we decided to build a product suite, a full-range product suite with different offerings and targeted deliveries for users with different needs and wants to participate in crypto. So what we started off in 2017 is effectively a trading desk, probably similar to the sales and trading desk you see at the investment banks, where we'll have traders and sales on the desk offering 24/7 dedicated high-touch services to our clients globally. We help them trade, price, hedge, manage your treasury or assets, anything, but more in an offline style. In 2019, that's when we realized that with the current era, we need to digitize and platformize all of our offline services so that we can bring it online and have our services be in a more automated fashion. And that's exactly why we built our web portal, the Ember Pro. It can be accessed on pro.embergroup.io, where you can access everything that our offline trading desks offer, but do it yourself and in a more automated fashion. We also offer API connections for the more sophisticated traders out there to be able to trade automatically. And afterwards, after we built the web portal, we thought, why not take a step further? Now we're in the era of mobile apps. We've seen so many super apps that were born out of Asia. So we're inspired, and we also built our own mobile application, the Ember app, with a more easier to use user interface, more user-friendly, simple functions to cater to more users who are new to crypto, and hopefully with users removing the barriers for a lot of newcomers to enter into the space, and really easily accessible globally anywhere. And with our recently revamped website, where we added modules for industry insights, market research reports that were traditionally only available to our clients, now we made the information accessible to all, because we do believe that our institutional grade services should be made available to all, and we're very committed to that, because after all, crypto is about democratizing access, so it shouldn't be limited to just the sophisticated hedge funds so far. So with that, with our Ember trading desk, with our web portal Ember Pro, with our mobile app, the Ember app, and our website, this completes our full range product suite and offerings. Now I want to go a little deeper and analyze how, with a combination of the product matrix, we can really have targeted delivery to different segments of the customers, particularly the 4 types that I just mentioned earlier. So for example, for the newcomers, the Ember app and the website information is a good place to start and really serve as a gateway to crypto, where they can do some studies around what Bitcoin is or blockchain is and purchase their first crypto. For the slightly more sophisticated users, then they can turn to a combination of Ember app and Ember Pro. When it's convenient, trade on your mobile app, and when you're at home, you want to do something more involved and trade on a bigger screen with Ember Pro. And for the most sophisticated prosumers, then they perhaps want to really utilize the very powerful trading functions on Ember Pro, including API connections, or dabble into structured products that we offer on there, and really be able to manage your portfolio as a whole. Now I want to take a zoom in on the product offerings. I wish I had my phone on me, but unfortunately they don't make pockets for women's dresses. But for those of you who perhaps have downloaded the Ember app, can take it out. And for those of you who haven't, I think now it's a good time to check out Ember app on App Store and Google Play. So you can see that we have 5 major functions. The earn function is where you can earn up to 16% new user enter rates and up to 8% regular rates on your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dollar stablecoins. And I have to say, those are pretty competitive rates across the market so far. There's also the invest function, where it's essentially the structured products, option-linked structures, packaged into an easy-to-use investment product where you can one-click and earn an enhanced yield above the 8% fixed rate that we offer. There's also, of course, the trade function, including spot and margin. And with our margin trading, we actually pioneer the idea of cross-margin function, where you can use your Ember earn assets as collateral to trade. So effectively, you're earning while you trade. And lastly, and very importantly, the wallet or our custodian functions, which allows you to safely secure and store your crypto within the app. And we partner with industry-leading partners, including BitGo and Fireblocks, and also our in-house custody solutions to be able to offer to really maintain asset security on the platform. Then onto Ember Pro, our web end portal. It's very similar to the functions that we have on Ember app, except it's on the web page, so a much bigger UI and a slightly different UX, catered more to sophisticated users. The trade function looks perhaps a little bit more like the, for people who are used to trade FX, kind of like the cards we'll see. And we offer very competitive spreads and deep access to liquidity to more than 100 pairs in the market. The execution services, where we will route your trades to all the 100+ exchanges and other OTC trading counterparties that we connect to really help you minimize slippage when you want to offload or accumulate a big size position. We offer TWAP, VWAP, iceberg style, so you can customize the way you want. The trade and structured product side, again, very similar to what we offer on the Ember app, with the same rates, can really help you utilize or increase your portfolio return as a whole. And lastly, the loan function, where you can very easily have automated platform to access collateralized lending, to put out your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other tokens as collateral and get more liquidity in return, and being able to manage your margin on the platform yourself. So now people might ask, how do I really use all of the features I described to really manage my crypto portfolio and to be able to capture the long-term investment value in it? So I'll take myself as an example. Most of the function I use most is the passive earn function. So most of my assets now I've moved them on-chain, so in the forms of dollar stable coins, and of course some crypto in there as well. And as a whole, I can earn up to 8% fixed rate per annum, and especially the dollar stable coins, because at my traditional savings account, it's earning me close to zero. But because of the structured yield pickup opportunity that still exists within the crypto finance space, I can effectively arb that and earn 8% on my dollars instead of zero. And in terms of trade, I like dollar cost averaging, so I'll do sort of a monthly spot buying on the app. And occasionally, when I have a view on the market, I would actually go and use the margin trading function and do some active trades here and there. And lastly, given my background in derivatives and trading, I like to dabble into the structured product side as well. For example, with our Ember Invest, you can earn up to 50% per annum if you don't mind monetizing your indifference to, say, accumulate Bitcoin at a lower level. For example, Bitcoin is trading at, what, 55,000 today? If I don't mind buying a little bit more at $50,000, I can use this product, effectively selling a covered put against my margin and be able to pick up that 50% interest rate on my portfolio. So with that, I think since our launch in September, I'm very glad to see that there are many users who have joined me in using our products, and our trade volume doubled since the beginning of the year. And we really want to expand into more regions. So we added support for more languages, and perhaps Arabic soon, and looking to really expand in Middle East, in Russia, in LATAM, and beyond. And one thing I'm very excited about, and I think this is the first time we're announcing this as a whole, that very soon, at the end of the year, we're going to launch a combined product suite under a new brand, and being able to take a deeper dive into the future of digital wealth, where it is built differently. So we'll be able to have a more powerful product to span across all of the functions that I mentioned and beyond. So we'll soon be launching our payment feature with Ember Card, where you can make payments directly within the app, and to pay with scan QR code to pay, or even direct payments, and really being able to not just buy, earn, and also spend your crypto to complete that full life cycle. And beyond that, we're looking to introduce a lot more functions where you can really have fun and be able to participate even social responsibility when you're earning in crypto finance. Another new initiative that I'm very excited about is CreatorFi, or Creator Finance. I'm sure with the NFT hype this year, everyone is very familiar with non-fungible tokens and the creator economy. And being here at Ember, where we see across the region and across the client, we wanted to launch this to be able to service the creators, the collectors, the marketplaces, and be able to bridge a conversation between them and help wherever they need. Be it, how do you mint an NFT? How do I custody an NFT? Or as creators, once I sold my NFT for ETH, what do I do with this? So we're very excited to have partnered up with TR Lab for our first collaboration, where we were able to auction off a moment of explosion by the renowned artist Cai Guoqiang, an auction for $2.5 million. And that's the first of our collab with many more to go. So for anyone who are interested in participating in the NFT space and potentially need some help, please come talk to us. Our booth is just outside at A6. You'll see Ember along with me and my colleagues here. So I think this is all the time that we have today. Again, I'm very honored to be here and be able to speak to you guys. Hopefully we'll get some time to chat after. For more information about Ember Group, please visit our website at ambergroup.io. And please connect with me on Twitter or drop me a note on LinkedIn. And thank you, Dubai. Thank you all. Hopefully I'll be able to see you guys soon.